upon a time, in a beautiful underwater world, there were 10 little fish swimming happily in the clear blue waters of the ocean. Five of them were shiny goldfish with tails that shimmered in the sunlight, while the other five were sleek silver salmon with scales that glistened like diamonds. The goldfish loved to play in the coral reefs, darting in and out of the brightly colored corals and chasing after bubbles that floated up to the surface. They were the stars of the underwater world, admired by all for their beauty and grace. The salmon, on the other hand, preferred to swim in the deep waters, where the currents were strong and the sea plants swayed gently back and forth. They were known for their speed and agility and were often seen leaping out of the water in breathtaking displays of acrobatics. One day, the 10 fish heard about a special event that was taking place in the underwater city, the Celebrity Christmas Tree Decorating Contest. Each year, the most famous fish in the ocean would decorate a Christmas tree with all sorts of glittering ornaments and sparkling lights, and the residents of the city would come from far and wide to admire their handiwork. The 10 fish were thrilled at the prospect of seeing the celebrity Christmas trees, and they decided to go to the city to take part in the festivities. As they swam towards the city, they passed schools of colorful butterfly fish, each one more beautiful than the last. The butterfly fish waved hello as the 10 fish swam by, wishing them luck in the contest. When they arrived in the city, the 10 fish were amazed by the sight of the celebrity Christmas trees. Each tree was more magnificent than the last, adorned with ribbons and bows, shiny baubles, and twinkling lights. The goldfish gasped in awe at the sight of the trees, while the salmon nodded their approval at the intricate decorations. As the evening wore on, the judges of the contest made their decision. Much to everyone's surprise, the winner of the Celebrity Christmas Tree Decorating Contest was not a famous fish at all, but the 10 little fish who had come all the way from the coral reefs and deep waters to see the trees. The goldfish and salmon were overjoyed at their victory, and they swam around the city proudly, showing off their prize-winning tree to all who would see. The residents of the city cheered and clapped as the 10 fish passed by, their tails sparkling in the moonlight. The butterfly fish joined in the celebration, singing songs and dancing in the water to celebrate the 10 fish victory. It was a night to remember, and the 10 fish knew that they would never forget the magical Christmas they had spent in the underwater city. And so, the 10 little fish lived happily ever after, swimming in the clear blue waters of the ocean and spreading joy and happiness wherever they went. They were the stars of the underwater world, admired by all for their beauty and grace, and their celebrity Christmas tree would always be remembered as the most dazzling in the history of the ocean.